Hello guys, this is Gaurav and today I want to give a brief presentation on technology. So first of all, we should know that what is technology. Technology, everything which we are using in our day-to-day life is technology. For example, we are using mobile phone, we are using ACs in our home, we are using electrical appliances, we are using vehicles. What is this? This is technology. So there are so many advantages and as well as disadvantages of technology. So first advantage is to get information. If I want information and get if I want news of abroad, so I simply go to the Google and YouTube section. From there I can collect the news. And for getting information, if I have any doubt in any topic, so I simply go to the Google. There I search that topic, and within few seconds I will get the information about that topic. And my second point is communication and interaction. For example, if my friend is studying abroad, I want to communicate with him, so I simply go to there are n numbers of social networking site app. For example, we have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have Instagram. I can do video chat, I can do audio chat with him and we can also interact with more and more people also. My third point is entertainment. If I talk about the entertainment, like for example, usually we are getting bored in our home, so simply we go to the YouTube section, we go to the Google section, we go to the meme section. From there we can entertain ourselves. And my fourth point is to save times. Like for example, in earlier times we don't have the mode of transportation, but nowadays we have mode of transportation. For example, we have buses, we have cars, we have aeroplanes. But this is due to the technology, and it saves our times also. And my fifth point is to earn money and shopping. For example, nowadays most of the YouTube creators are earning money from the YouTube. Most of the Instagram influencers are collecting the money and earning the money from the Instagram also. If I talk about the shopping, for example, there are n numbers of apps, like we have Flipkart, we have Amazon, we have Meesho. From there anything which I like, I can simply go there and I can simply search and buys from these apps. And my last point is education. In education, technology also play a good role in the mode of education. For example, we have many teachers which are teaching in the YouTube. For example, we have Vikas Divyakirti sir, we have Awadh Oja. These are those teachers are preparing us for the IAS exams without any cost.